Insert the floor beams at an angle, ensuring the floor beam ends fit under the panels. Set correct spacing between floor beams. 285mm for Handi-Pod Garden Shed 1, 210mm for Handi-Pod Garden Shed 2. Lay out the flooring. Ensure correct spacing and fitment using spacers. If using standard 90mm wide decking pine, a 4mm spacer between each piece should result in correct fitment. Fasten 2 decking screws through each flooring piece and into each floor beam.